today I'm gonna share you the most famous and the most trending hack. Using this hack you will get the most long-lasting base. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I will tell you how to make your base long last throughout the day. First, apply your moisturizer. And you can use any moisturizer, whichever you use. I am using Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Based Moisturizer. Now take a loose powder and damp it all over your face. So this is step 2. Take a loose powder and damp it all over your face. Finally, take a setting spray and spray it all over your face. I'm using MAC Prep Plus Prime. Step 4. Take your primer and apply it all over. I am taking Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. You can take any. Step number 5 and the final step, take your foundation and apply it all over. You can take any foundation which you use. Now blend your foundation. You can use a beauty blender or a brush. I'm using beauty blender from PAC. And it's done, and there you have it, the most long lasting base. It's a very famous hack which I've shared with you guys. So try this hack and thank me later. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And if you try this hack and it works, please don't forget to comment below. Thank you guys for watching.